from Satkira Government High School. I'm an assistant teacher of English. Today I will take a class on changing sentence of grade 8.
একটু জোরে বলেন স্যার।
What do you mean by changing sentence? It means change the form of sentence with meaning or without changing sentence means change the form of sentence with meaning or without changing the meaning. Now I will give you two examples. Rana is a good cricketer. If I change the form of the sentence, it's negative. Rana is not a dull cricketer. And another one, Rana is not a good Rana is a good cricketer. If we change the sentence, Rana is not a dull cricketer. This is and the Rana is not a good cricketer. What is the differences between the two sentences? This one is transformation of sentence, and this one is conversion of sentence. In transformation of sentence, you cannot change the meaning of the original sentence, and in conversion of sentence, you can change the original meaning of the sentence. Today I will go with transformation of sentence. At first I would like to highlight on assertive sentence. assertive sentence gives a statement. The statement may be in affirmative form or in negative form. In this sense, assertive sentence can be classified into two ones. And negative. First one is affirmative and another one is negative. Affirmative sentence gives affirmative statement and the negative sentence gives negative statement. Today, now I will show you how to change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Rana is a good singer. Generally, to make the negative sentence, no plus opposite word is. No plus opposite word is used. If we make it negative, Nana is not a bad singer. In the first place, if you want to change the affirmative sentence to negative sentence, you can use no or not plus opposite word. In another case, There are 4 sentences here. If the affirmative sentence possesses only or alone, and if only and alone indicates personal subject, then you have to use none but before the subject. If the affirmative sentence possesses only or alone, then you have to use none but before the subject. In this sense, we can say that Sumi alone can solve this problem. Alone indicates Sumi. Sumi is personal noun, so you have to use none but. So none but Sumi can solve this problem. The answer will be none but Sumi can solve this problem. Similarly, the second one, only Allah can help us. The answer is none but Allah can help us. And the third one, only education removes darkness of ignorance. If only indicates impersonal subject, not related with persons, then you have to use nothing but before the subject or after the subject. If only indicates impersonal subject, then you have to use nothing but before or after the subject. Following this rule, you can say that nothing but education removes darkness of ignorance. Nothing but education removes darkness of ignorance. And the fourth one, Rumi has only 5 books. Rumi has only 5 books. If only indicates number, then you have to use not more than or not less than. Rumi has only 5 books. If only indicates number, then you have to use not more than or not less than in place of only. In this sense, the answer will be Rumi has not more than 5 books, or Rumi has not less than 5 books. Am I clear to all? Then I will go to another rule. If the affirmative sentence possesses, must, or have to, or has to. You have to use you have to use cannot but or it is must, have to, or has to. Then you have to use cannot but or cannot help plus verb plus ing. For example, Rita must solve the problem. In place of must, you have to change. If I follow this, Rita cannot but solve the problem. Rita cannot but solve the problem. If I take this rule, Rita cannot help solving the Rita cannot help solving the problem. Following this rule. Perhaps I am clear to all. Then I will switch on another rule. If the affirmative sentence gets had to, then you have to change the negative sentence in the following way. Mita had to leave the place. You have to change this one. Mita could not but leave the Mita could not but leave the place. Okay, I will go on another rule. As soon as we saw him, he left the place. In this case, you have to change as soon as. You have to use no sooner had plus subject verb 3 plus conjunction then and the rest of the sentence. If your affirmative sentence gets as soon as phrase, then you have to follow this rule. Right? By following this rule, we can write is no sooner had subject we verb 3 seen him, you must write the conjunction then and the rest part of the sentence. Then he left the place. No sooner had we seen him than he left the place. Students, perhaps you have understood the structure. I'll go for another rule. If the affirmative sentence begins with every, like everyone, everybody, every mother, every farmer, like this one, then you have to follow the following rule. I want to write down some examples. Everybody loves flowers. You have to use there is no body but loves You have to use there is no instead of every, and next the rest word, and you have to use but before the verb. Similarly, I will give you another example. Everyone wants to be happy. If you follow this on every, there is no one but wants to be there is another rule. You may take it like this. There is no one who does not want there are two rules. There are two rules. There you have to use there is no plus but, and you can use there is no plus color who plus negative form. If the affirmative sentence begins with every, then you have to do say the negative sentence in the following way. You have to use there is no instead of every, and then you have to write down the rest on, and you have to use but before the verb. And in another way, you can there is no one, you have to use who plus negative form plus rest of the sentence. I will go for another rule. Every rule has exception, like every rose has a thorn, or every king has a crown. If the affirmative sentence possesses every and have has had, then you have to use there is no rose. You have to use without. Like similarly, there is no king without a crown. Okay, perhaps I am clear to you. Then I will go for another rule. If the affirmative sentence possesses this structure to, adjective to, then you have to use so plus adjective plus that is the structure. Like I want to give you example. The first one is he is too weak to work. You have to use so plus adjective plus that. You have to use so instead of to. He is so weak that then you have to take subject. Subject means he. If the affirmative sentence is in present tense, then you have to use can't or cannot. You have to use so instead of to, so adjective that, and you have to take subject. And if the affirmative sentence is in the present form, then you have to use cannot. And if the affirmative sentence is in past form, you have to use could not. Like following the rule, you can write Sumi was so thirsty that subject she is past tense, then if you use could not. Could not speak. Dear students, perhaps you have understood this, and I will go on another rule. Like Mumi is always sincere to his study. Have to use never plus opposite word to make it. You have to use never plus opposite word to make the sentence negative. And I can write Rumi is never sincere. Opposite word of sincere. Opposite word of sincere, insincere. Insincere to his. Rumi is never insincere. Please, sorry. Rumi is never insincere to his study. Dear students, I have discussed many rules, but many rules have not been discussed. So I will take another class on this topic, and hope you will be hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty. Be aware of coronavirus. Stay home and stay safe. Thanks all.